Ready to take your salon, spa, or fitness business to the next level with streamlined management? First, head over to Vagaro.com, that's Vagaro.com. In your web browser, look for the Sign Up button, typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage, and click on it. You'll be directed to a Sign Up page here. You'll need to enter your business information, including the business name, your name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password to protect your account. Once you've created your account, you'll be prompted to configure your services. This is where you add the different services you offer, like haircuts, massages, or fitness classes. Be sure to include a detailed description and set the price for each. Next, let's customize your appointment schedule. Set your business hours, employee schedules, and any buffer times you need between appointments. Vagaro offers flexible scheduling options to suit your needs. Now, to get you paid, navigate to the payment settings and configure your preferred payment methods. Vagaro integrates with various payment processors, allowing you to accept credit cards and other forms of payment. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Vagaro account. Explore the dashboard to discover more features and tools to help you manage and grow your business. Good luck.